So I was thinking we could knock down the back wall and open it up to the deck. What do you reckon?
That's literally the third reno idea this week.
What? I'm just trying to visualise the dream.
This is what it's like when you start thinking about renovations. Big ideas, lots of opinions, and zero clue where to start. That's where the Homeowner Hub from the QBCC comes in handy. It's a free online resource from the QBCC designed to guide you through every stage of the building and construction process. From choosing a licensed contractor to understanding contracts, deposits, and approvals, the Hub gives you clear information you can trust.
Look, I've even got a step-by-step guide, and it's all in plain English. No engineering degree required.
Look, you can start here.
That would have helped before we redid the bathroom.
No stress, no guesswork. Just the facts you need to make smart choices before things get expensive. If you're wondering where to begin, visit the QBCC Homeowner Hub today. Your future self will thank you.